Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Shelley from Copper Beach, and I'm here again to talk about the comprehension skill for the week. This week, we're going to be focusing on conclusions and generalizations. We draw conclusions and we make generalizations. So the thing I want you to remember this week is that you will use text details to both draw conclusions and make generalizations, which will help you better understand the text. Let's look at this poster. It explains the differences between the conclusions and the generalizations. A conclusion is a reasonable guess about the ideas that are not clearly stated in the text, whereas a generalization is a conclusion that is true for most of the time, but not necessarily always. So let's go back to conclusions. In order to draw a conclusion, you have to use what you have read, add it to what you already know, and that gives you the decision that you come to when you put those two together. Whereas with the generalization, you also use what you know and what you read, but that equals a general statement about something. So the things you're putting together as you read are the same. However, what you're coming up with at the end is a little bit different, whether it's a decision you come up with or a general statement that you come up with. So at the bottom, it says what you read plus what you already know, which is called your schema, equals both a conclusion and or a generalization. So, generalizations and conclusions. This week, I want you to use text evidence to figure out something in a story that isn't directly stated by the author. This is called drawing a conclusion. And a generalization is a broad statement that is true most of the time, which is a type of conclusion. As you read Storm Warriors this week, I want you to notice the details the author provides about a rescue crew and the people on a ship called the E.S. Newman. Their actions and words can help you draw conclusions and make generalizations about the characters. Use a graphic organizer like this one to record a conclusion, as well as the details you use to draw your conclusion. Details may include quotes from the text. Good luck this week.